Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Razer Seiren X. The reason why I'm picking this up is because I don't know what it is with my Rode microphone, but it has an issue with clipping audio, and that's just not how I want to run this YouTube channel from this point on. I want to give you guys the best audio and video that I can. And this is a real cool, neat, gamer, stylish way of doing that. So really excited to bust this thing open, use it for all my future videos, and maybe even take a crack at streaming. If you guys would like to see some Street Fighter or Call of Duty, you just let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you have any questions about this mic or anything at all, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into this. So I got this on sale on Amazon for $69.99. It usually retails for $100. I got this honestly instead of something like a Yeti or a Snowball, just because I wanted to try out like another piece of Razer's little ecosystem. Everyone that I've seen seems to say that it really does get the job done. I really do, at the end of this video, want to try and do an audio test for you guys to see if you guys can hear a huge difference between the Rode microphone that I have and this. And I also got this bad boy. So this is just a nice little boom arm that came recommended with the microphone from Amazon. So hopefully everything works without a hitch. It's got the little sound guard windshield thingy majig and the little poofy thing. So hopefully we'll get this set up. Let us dive right into the box. So this is what I really love about Razer's packaging, is this looks super duper cool. Yeah, I am just a sucker for a good box and a good opening experience. Ooh, and then right out the gate, you get that microphone. Now that looks pretty fancy. Honestly, if they were to just have gone the little extra mile and made that a light up green logo, or even controllable through the synapse, like you could change the color, if you're a streamer, that would have been pretty cool. I know they have the one that's like another $100 where you could have emojis on it and whatnot, but for that kind of price, getting, you know, kind of subpar audio quality for that level, I honestly would not recommend it, and it seems to be a shared opinion with all sorts of YouTubers. So let's take this bad boy out. And here you have the microphone. It is very nice and simple. Now you can get the Seiren in Mercury White and Quartz Hot Pink, but I felt like this went along with my setup very well. Here you have the threads to attach to either the stand or some kind of boom arm attachment, which I'll try getting into in a little bit. You have the volume or the gain level, and you have a little microphone mute button, I'm assuming. Let's see what else we get in the box. Got our nice little Razer books, more Razer books. So it just kind of gives you a rundown on everything that you get, but we'll be getting into that shortly. Oh, look at that. Boom, you get Razer stickers with this. That's pretty neat. Alright, so I'll probably dive into this a little bit more when I try and set this up. I'm thinking that that won't be too hard of a process. I'm really curious as to if Razer Synapse is going to play a big role in getting this thing ready, but we will see. So in the box, we have this little foam cutout where the stand is being held. And this is a nice hefty weighted stand made out of some metal of some sort and a nice felt foamy bottom, so that's not going to mess up your desk at all. We also have the braided USB cable. If you guys haven't figured by now, this mic is a USB mic. It's micro USB to USB type A. Some mics on the higher end that will be analog. You'll have to have a DAC, a digital analog converter or audio converter. I forget what it stands for. But this is plug and play, super simple, and there's really no hassle at all. Here we have the little adapter, and let's put this thing together now. So it looks like I thread this on here. And that kind of moves around a little bit. Thread that on that. Okay. Upon reading the instructions, I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says that you may connect an analog audio output device such as headphones to the 3.5mm headphone port if you want to listen to both PC audio and the audio being recorded by the Seiren X at the same time. So this little volume knob, I was mistaken earlier, is not actually for the gain of the microphone. It is for the volume of the headphones that you plug in right there. So, interesting concept. I don't really think I have a use for that personally, but it is interesting to know that that is there. I would have rather seen a gain knob on this bad boy. I mean, that just makes a little bit more sense to me, but still very nice, very sleek. So let's get this bad boy hooked up and see what we got. Very nice cable. I believe it's 4 feet long. Take off my caps. Nice little green Razer-esque type cable there. We got a right angle micro USB. Just gonna plug that straight into my laptop. Ooh, that's pretty neat. So we have a light green mute button. Oh, so green means it's good to go, and then red means you're muted. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to be doing an audio comparison test from the Rode microphone that I have on the camera versus the Seiren X. I have noticed that there is a slight clipping issue with the microphone, and with further investigation, I have found that my router may be causing that issue. I'll try and get a fix on that, so please bear with me. However, how do you guys feel about the overall sound quality of this microphone? I will be switching to the Rode microphone, which you're hearing right now. And here is me switching to the Razer microphone, the Seiren X. So if I say wanted to get this for streaming, this is going to be a very worst case scenario. If your keyboard's right here, your mic is right in front of you. Let me go ahead and type a bit. So this is me just slowly typing. You'll never really actually type this much in game. This is all coming from the Razer microphone. Chances are, if you are gaming, you're just going to be, WASDing around, so it may sound something like this. So how does my voice sound with all of the clicking and clacking happening at the same time? And just so you guys know, this is a Keychron K6 with brown switches, so not the clickiest or the clackiest, but it should be a good test of how your audio will sound if you are streaming. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I am going to get this thing on that boom arm, get it set up. This is just an unboxing and initial impressions of the Razer Seiren X. It is a very cool looking mic, and it'll definitely look nice if you do plan to use it to stream. I think it'll be great for podcasts or anything like that. It's very plug and play, Nothing too crazy going on here, and you also don't need to mess with Synapse to get this thing working, which I'm sure is a very big positive for a lot of you. All you have to do is plug it in, let it rip, and get that good audio going. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you like the video, I would really appreciate a like, comment, or subscribe. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Later.